In this video, we're going to discuss nouns and how they relate to ASL syntax. Nouns are often important parts of sentences in any language because they are a person, place, or thing, which are often the subject of sentences or what you're talking about. So in ASL, some examples of nouns are man, woman, cat, brother, sister, or anything that can be a person, place, or thing. When discussing nouns in ASL, it is important to have the knowledge of how to make them plural. It's not always necessary in ASL to make something plural because sometimes it's implied by the context. However, we'll go over a few different ways to make a word plural in ASL. Because it's not like in English where we just have the suffixes, generally s or es, to add to the end of the singular word. So like cat becomes cats. They don't have suffixes in ASL, there are no signs for them, so there's a few different ways that you can make a word plural in ASL. One of the ways to make a word plural in ASL is to use repetition. So if you wanted to talk about needing a lot of repetitions, you could just sign that it was repeating over and over and over, and that's how you imply that it wasn't just one repetition. You can also in ASL add a number to the sign, so that would be 6 women, and even though this is a sign just for woman, and so it's slightly different, but with the 6 it becomes what we in English say as women. Finally, a great way to make a noun plural in ASL is to incorporate a number into it. So take the sign for minute, for example. If you want to say 3 minutes, you can, and you don't really have to modify the sign that much. You can also, if you're talking about a 6-week course, you can just take the sign for 6 and do the sign for week. If you don't have to sign 6 and then week separately, it's easier just with the 6 already in there.